Alright guys, so this is an 84 Zimmer. It looks like a caddy. That's all decked out. Looks like an opera car. But it's really unusual. I haven't seen one of these in person. So I'll just give you guys an overview of it. Obviously it's been modified some. You can see the wheels, it's all zoomed out. Give you guys the interior view. Similar to caddies in the era, just has like total opera theme to it. Cream color. Check out the mirrors with the shield. If you guys can see this, there's a lot of glare going here, but it's just really cool. Check out this detail. So I saw one of the students driving this. It's pretty interesting. I don't know if they work on it, if it's like a school's car. Maybe they use it to promote the show. Got horns on there. Looks like it hasn't been inspected, but it's an 84 checked. Something you don't see every day. That's really cool. Look at the in the console. You got electronic buttons. Kind of in the back. Got a sunroof. A really unusual car.